In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an access token on Shopify for 2023. Whether you're developing custom apps or integrating different services, having an access token is crucial. It allows you to authenticate and interact with Shopify's API seamlessly. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First up, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once you're in, navigate to your Shopify store's homepage. You can do this by simply accessing the admin panel, usually available through a link like My Store, Home, Shopify, and it will take you directly to your store's dashboard. From there, you'll want to head over to the Apps and Sales Channels section. This is the hub where you'll manage all your app-related activities, making it a vital area for developers and store owners alike. Next, within the Apps and Sales Channels, look for an option to Develop Apps. Click on it. This section is specifically designed for working with custom apps, and it's where you'll be dealing with permissions and configurations for app developments. Once you're in the Develop Apps section, you'll see an option that says Create an App. Click on that to start the process. It's important to note that creating an app doesn't necessarily mean publishing it to the Shopify App Store. Rather, it sets up a framework where you can build and test your application. Now, the app creation process will prompt you to enter an app name. This name is entirely up to you, but it's usually best to choose something that clearly reflects the app's purpose or function. This way, it will be easier to manage, especially if you're dealing with multiple apps down the line. The next field you'll need to fill out is the App Developer section. Typically, this would be the individual or team responsible for developing and maintaining the app. If you're doing this for personal use, simply fill in your details here. Once you've filled out the necessary information, click on Create App. This action completes the setup process, and your app is now officially created within the Shopify environment. But remember, having your app set up is just the beginning. From here, you'll need to go back into the app settings to manage permissions and obtain the access token. This token is essential as it allows your app to securely interact with your Shopify store's data and perform tasks as needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up an app in Shopify and positioned yourself to acquire the access token. This token will be vital for any further integrations or custom developments you plan to implement. Thanks for following along. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and guides like this one.